Okay, up next we got the 2013-14 Upper Deck Artifacts. Last seen then tonight was the Winnipeg Jets, October 9th at 7:59. And the box number 200046592. And official time right now is Wednesday, October 9th at 10:24. Right to it. Same stuff on tomorrow night, guys. Artifact Certified, Titanium, and Limited. 20004. Let's see if I can see this on around here. 200466592. It is a sealed box. Empty. And here we go. First hit, Calgary Flames. Matt Stajan, Treasured Swatches. Two color. In the base. That in a second. This one is NHL Artifacts, Silverado Rookies, card number 12, player name Drew Shore. I want to say Florida. I'll check though. Make sure. Card number 12, autograph rookie. Blue parallel for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Kamarov rookie. It's numbered 4/85. Kamarov. Tundra Tandems, dual jerseys for the Detroit Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk, Henrik Zetterberg. Base. The Minnesota Wild, Mikael Granlund, $3.93 of $9.99. Minnesota Wild rookie. Two base. Red parallel for the Detroit Red Wings, Chris Osgood, 39 of 299. Osgood. Goalie card, Jean-Sebastien Giguère for Colorado Avalanche. That one's numbered 9/12, $9.99. Two base. Redemption, rookie redemption for the Edmonton Oilers. Two base. Any of the redemptions ever, guys, if you just want the code, just message me. I don't mind scratching it off and emailing you the code. Frozen Artifacts, dual jersey for the Flyers, Luke Schenn. Blue parallel for the Washington Capitals, Mike Ribeiro, 51 of 85. Ribeiro. And that's it, guys. So I guess that redemption for the Drew Shore was the autograph for the box. So anyway, thanks. Same stuff tomorrow.